My name is Hayari Chiba. I'm a first-year student at a prestigious all-boys high school. The book I'm reading now is written by one of our graduates, someone people call a modern-day philosopher.
Look at that uniform. He's from NanaKuma High, right?
He must be super smart.
But I wouldn't want to date someone like him.
I know what you mean. He seems kind of introverted, even if he's smart.
And he's short, too.
These girls are saying whatever they want. As soon as we arrived at the next station, the train got a lot more crowded. Before I knew it, a tall high school girl was standing right next to me. Is this the same girl who called me short earlier? The train door shut and we took off, packed like sardines. The air outside was thick and muggy and everyone looked uncomfortable. Today's train is way more crowded than usual.
I feel kinda weird. Am I getting sick or something?
As the train hit a curve, "Watch out!" The tall girl next to me suddenly collapsed toward me. Huh? I reached out to catch her instinctively, but
What?
because she's taller than me, I couldn't support her by the shoulders. So I ended up holding her around the stomach. What the hell are you doing?
Are you okay? Don't worry, I'm here. Huh?
Hearing her scream, the other passengers looked at us and thought I was harassing her. At the next station, I was forced off the train. This is a misunderstanding!
Come with me.
Station staff, over here, hurry!
It wasn't intentional. No one listened to my explanation. This can't be happening!
You've got it wrong. Huh?
The girl who had collapsed on me stumbled over and spoke up.
He didn't do anything. Actually, I almost passed out and he tried to help me.
Oh, I see!
Glad it was just a misunderstanding.
Nothing about this is glad. Even though I was let off the hook before being handed over to the station staff, the fact that I was mistaken for a harasser still stung. Frustrated, I snapped. You should have cleared it up sooner, you giant! Thanks to you, I can't ride the train at this time anymore.
I'm really sorry. I'm so sorry.
Watching her cry while apologizing made me realize that I wasn't just short in height, I was small-minded too. I bought a drink from a vending machine and handed it to her. Sorry, I went too far. You're not feeling well, right? You should drink this and rest on a bench.
But
Please, just do it. If you keep crying, it's gonna make it hard for me to go to school too.
thanks.
Her uniform. Isn't that from a super fancy school? About 30 minutes later, someone came to pick her up and she left in a luxury car. Hey, it's right for you to be late. What happened? Something weird on the train. You missed your stop while staring at a cute high school girl or something. Don't lump me in with you. Think about it. I've never heard you talk about romance. What kind of girls do you like? I bet it's girls on the shorter side, right? Nothing's going my way today. The next day, because of what happened, I decided to catch an earlier train. And there she was at the station platform. Yesterday's girl.
Morning.
She looked healthier, but her voice was soft and she seemed a bit nervous. Morning.
I'm really sorry about yesterday, and thank you for helping me.
As she spoke, she handed me a paper bag from what looked like a fancy sweet shop. I heard later that she remembered which station I got on at, and I've been waiting there early in the morning. You don't need to.
It's just a little token of my gratitude.
Okay.
And,
What is it?
I was thinking, for a little while, would you walk to school with me?
Huh?
I figured if people see us together, it might clear up any misunderstanding about what happened.
She had seriously thought about how to clear my name and set things right. Do what you want.
Okay.
I acted cold because I didn't want to be a burden to her. But to be honest, her kindness made me really happy. I was actually a bit scared to ride the train alone today.
Could we exchange contact info? Just in case you ever change your train schedule.
Yeah.
Your name is Chiba, right?
And you're, Samire Uki? That's a cute name.
Huh?
What?
Thank you. I'm happy to hear that.
It's been 2 weeks since the whole misunderstanding incident, and we started commuting to school together. At first, things were a bit awkward since we didn't know each other well, but after finding common interests, the conversations flowed more easily. We often talked about books, what we've read recently, books that stuck with us, or authors we're curious about. Before we knew it, we'd already arrived at our station while chatting about literature. I started looking forward to those train rides with her. One day, I noticed her eyes were a bit red. Were you reading late into the night or something?
Huh?
Your eyes are red and you seem a little out of it.
No, I was just up late studying.
Ah, so you got tests coming up too.
Yeah, I didn't do so well on the last one, so I've been staying up late to study.
You're not good at math, huh?
Nope, I've been bad at it ever since it was called arithmetic.
I think I can help you with math.
Really? That'd be great.
What's the test covering? Turns out her school's test covers almost the same material as mine. How about we meet at the library by the station after school?
Sure, thank you.
No need to be nervous. If you are, it's gonna make me nervous too.
All right, see you after school.
Yeah. Even though I said all that, I made after-school plans with a girl. And now I'm super nervous. Did I invite her in a weird way? She didn't seem bothered, right? It was totally a mutual plan, right?
I have no confidence in this math test at all.
Same here.
What?
You're getting up during study time, that's rare. Let me tutor you.
Huh?
I said let me teach you math. Dude, what's up with ya? Just open your math notebook already. I need to practice before I teach her. After school that day, I headed to the library as promised. Since I've been going to an old boys' school since middle school, this is the first time I've studied with a girl since elementary school. Feeling nervous, I looked around and there she was, already waiting. She really showed up. She hadn't noticed me yet and was fixing her bangs with a mirror from her bag. Seeing her do that, I realized she was just as nervous about meeting me. She's way too cute. Even though our first encounter was a total mess, I somehow started falling for her.
Hey, Chiba!
Sorry, did I keep you waiting?
No, I just got here too.
All right, let's get started.
Yeah.
1 hour later.
Hey, check that out!
Huh?
It's Chiba! And there's a super cute girl sitting next to him. Oh, she's gone.
Looks like she left her stuff. Probably went to the bathroom.
All right, let's go.
Yeah?
Hey, Chiba!
Huh? Yo! What are you doing here?
We came to study for the test, but we found something more interesting.
Who's that cute girl? It doesn't matter.
Trying to hide her makes it even more suspicious.
Could she be your girlfriend? No, she's not.
Then introduce me to her.
Shut up and get back to studying.
Come on, man, you don't even like tall girls, right?
What?
Huh?
Before I realized it, she had come back.
Sorry, I just remembered I have something to do.
With that, she gathered her things and left the library. It hit me. She's self-conscious about her height. Because I feel the same way. Watch my stuff for me.
Huh?
Hey! Samire!
Huh?
When she turned around after hearing me call her name, her eyes were brimming with tears. I panicked, not knowing what to say. I like you!
What?
I mean, I like tall girls. Okay, that's a lousy excuse, but you were the one who said you wouldn't date short guys first.
Huh? I didn't say that.
Yeah, you did on the day we first met. You weren't saying it to me, but you were talking about it with your friends, right?
No, that's not true. I was riding the train alone that day.
Now that she mentioned it, there was no friend helping her when she wasn't feeling well. I'd mistaken her for one of the other high school girls on the train. Oh, sorry, I jumped to conclusions.
A false accusation, huh?
Yeah, sorry.
But thanks for coming after me.
Of course, and I'm sorry my classmates were rude to you. Actually, I said the same thing as them. Sorry about that.
You've already apologized. It's fine now.
But
You do like them, don't you?
huh?
Tall girls.
Yeah, I do.
Then that's fine. For the first time, I feel like I'm glad to be tall.
Samire. At that moment, I knew for sure. I really like this girl. Once the test period is over, summer vacation will come. The trains are less crowded now since some schools are already on break, My suspicions should be cleared up by now, so we don't have to ride the train together anymore.
Huh? Is that so?
But if you still want to spend more time with me, I'd like to keep riding together. Even though we were having an important conversation, the train shook again today. And it was shaking more than usual.
Whoa.
Oh man, what do I do? Are you okay?
Yeah. About what we were just talking about, I want to keep being with you.
Really? I feel the same way. Just a little bit more until we reach the station. I guess we've made a promise for the new semester.
I want to see you during summer vacation, too. I bet they'll be dating by the new semester. No way, we're still just friends.
I'd bet my wireless earbuds on it.
Nah, I don't need that.
Hello! Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. See you all next time. Bye-bye!